Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you don't have time to wander the Target store, but you still need to grab what you need fast, Target pickup is the move. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order for Target pickup in the Target app. It's short and sweet, so first thing we're going to do is open that Target app. And then I'm going to find the item that I want. You can search it or browse like normal. So today I'm looking for storage bins. Once I find my item, I hit the details and I make sure it's the one I want. And once it is, I make sure pickup is selected and I say add to cart. At that point in time, I can choose between order pickup and drive up. I'm going to pick drive up. Now you can go to your cart and tap checkout. During checkout, you will choose the pickup person. This is where you'll confirm who's coming to pick it up. If you select yourself or if you select someone else, and you can add them for them to grab it. To review everything and confirm your pickup order, and that's it. You'll get a notification when it's ready, and you can head to the store for an easy grab and go. So that is honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way, drop it in the comments below. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.